Welcome to the future of AI passive income, unleashing the power of artificial intelligence for financial freedom. In today's fast-paced world, the quest for passive income has become more than just a desire. It's a necessity for achieving financial stability and freedom. And with the exponential growth of artificial intelligence, a new frontier of passive income opportunities is emerging, promising to revolutionize the way we generate wealth. Imagine earning money while you sleep, as AI algorithms work tirelessly in the background to analyze data, predict trends, and make profitable decisions on your behalf. From automated trading bots to AI-powered content generators, the possibilities are endless, and the potential for passive income is limitless. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of AI passive income, exploring cutting-edge technologies, real-life success stories, and actionable strategies for building your own AI-driven wealth machine. Get ready to unlock the future of financial abundance and embark on a journey towards a brighter, more prosperous tomorrow. AI side hustles encompass a diverse range of activities leveraging AI techniques, tools, and expertise to address various market needs and opportunities. From tutoring and content creation to consulting and software development, AI side hustles offer flexible and lucrative avenues for individuals to monetize their AI skills and contribute to innovative projects. This guide explores 9 of the best AI side hustles to actually make money in 2024, providing detailed, step-by-step instructions for each hustle. Whether you are a seasoned AI professional looking to diversify your income streams or a newcomer eager to capitalize on the burgeoning AI market, these side hustles offer valuable insights and practical strategies to help you succeed in the AI-driven economy. Now let's talk about the 9 best AI side hustles to actually make money in 2024. AI tutoring. Assess your skills and knowledge. Identify your strengths in AI-related subjects such as machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, etc. Create course materials. Develop a comprehensive course materials including presentations, exercises, and resources. Ensure they are structured logically and cater to various skill levels. Choose a platform. Decide whether you will offer tutoring services through platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or independently via your website or platforms like Zoom or Skype. Market your services. Schedule sessions with your students and deliver engaging and informative lessons. Encourage interaction and provide personalized assistance when needed. Gather feedback and improve. Collect feedback from your students to continuously improve your tutoring services. Use constructive criticism to refine your course materials and teaching methods. AI content creation. Identify niche topics. Research trending topics and niche areas within AI where demand for content is high. Focus on areas like AI applications in healthcare, finance, marketing, etc. Choose AI content generation tools. Select reliable AI content generation tools such as GPT-3 based platforms, AI powered content generators, or natural language generation tools. Generate content. Use the selected AI tools to generate high quality content. Ensure the content is accurate, relevant, and tailored to the target audience. Review and edit. Manually review and edit the AI generated content to improve coherence, readability, and accuracy. Add your unique insights and perspectives to enhance the value. Publish and promote. Publish the content onto your blog, website, or content platforms like Medium. Promote it through social media, email newsletters, and relevant online communities. Monetize your content. Explore monetization options such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling content packages to businesses and individuals. AI chatbot development. Learn chatbot development. Familiarize yourself with chatbot development frameworks and platforms such as Dialogflow, Microsoft Bot Framework, or Rasa. Identify use cases. Identify potential use cases for AI chatbots in industries such as e-commerce, customer service, healthcare, etc. Research existing chatbots in these domains for inspiration. Develop chatbot prototypes. Create chatbot prototypes using your chosen development tools. Focus on functionality, user experience, and integration with messaging platforms. Test and iterate. Test the chatbot prototypes extensively to identify and fix any issues or bugs. Gather feedback from testers and iterate on the design and functionality as needed. Deploy chatbots. Deploy the chatbots to relevant platforms such as website, messaging apps, or customer service portals. Ensure seamless integration and provide necessary documentation. Offer customization and maintenance services. Offer customization and maintenance services to clients, including chatbot training, updates, and troubleshooting. Continuously monitor performance and make improvements. AI consulting. Build expertise. Deepen your understanding of AI technologies, trends, and applications. Stay updated with industry news, research papers, and case studies. Define your niche. Identify your niche within AI consulting, such as AI strategy development, implementation, or specific industry verticals like healthcare or finance. Develop service offerings. Create detailed service offerings tailored to your niche, including AI audits, strategy development, implementation roadmaps, and training programs. Establish your brand. Build a strong online presence through a professional website, blog, and active participation in AI-related forums, webinars, and conferences. Network and outreach. Network with potential clients through industry events, LinkedIn, and professional associations. Offer free consultations or webinars to showcase your expertise. Deliver value. Deliver high-quality consulting services, focusing on understanding client needs, developing actionable recommendations, and providing ongoing support. AI freelancing. Identify your skills. Assess your skills in AI-related search areas such as machine learning, data science, natural language processing, computer vision, etc. Create a portfolio. Build a portfolio showcasing your AI projects, including descriptions, code samples, and results achieved. Host it on platforms like GitHub or a personal website. Join freelancing platforms. Sign up for freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Top 10, or Kaggle, and create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and experience. Bid on projects. Browse available AI projects on freelancing platforms and submit tailored proposals showcasing your expertise and how you can solve the client's problem. Deliver high-quality work. Once awarded a project, communicate effectively with the client, set clear expectations, and deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon time frame. Collect feedback and build reputation. Request feedback from clients upon project completion and use positive reviews to build your reputation as a top AI freelancer. Continuously refine your skills and portfolio. AI stock trading. Understand stock market dynamics. Gain a thorough understanding of stock market principles, trading strategies, and risk management techniques. Familiarize yourself with the technical and fundamental analysis. Learn AI and machine learning techniques. Acquire knowledge of AI and machine learning techniques relevant to stock trading, such as predictive modeling, sentiment analysis, and algorithmic trading strategies. Collect and prepare data. Collect historical stock market data, including price movements, trading volumes, and relevant financial indicators. Clean and pre-process the data to prepare it for analysis. Develop AI trading models. Develop AI-powered trading models using machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification, and reinforcement learning. Train the models using historical data to predict future price movements. Backtest and validate models. Backtest the AI trading models using historical data to assess their performance and reliability. Validate the models using out-of-sample data to ensure their effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Implement trading strategies. Implement the AI trading strategies in live trading environments, either manually or through automated trading platforms. Monitor the performance of the strategies and make adjustments as necessary. AI app development. Identify market needs. Identify market needs and opportunities for AI-powered mobile apps or web applications. Conduct market research to understand user preferences, pain points, and competitors. Choose development tools and techniques. Select appropriate development tools and technologies for building AI applications such as programming languages like Python or Java, frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, and cloud platforms. Design user interfaces and experiences. Design intuitive user interfaces and experiences that leverage AI capabilities effectively. Focus on usability, accessibility, and seamless integration of AI features into the application. Develop AI models and algorithms. Develop AI models and algorithms that power the core functionality of the application. This may involve tasks such as natural language processing, image recognition, or recommendation systems. Test and debug. Test the AI application thoroughly to identify and fix any bugs, errors, or performance issues. Conduct both functional testing and user acceptance testing to ensure quality and reliability. Deploy and market the application. Deploy the AI application to relevant app stores or web hosting platforms. Develop a marketing strategy to promote the application and attract users, leveraging social media, app store optimization, and targeted advertising. AI voice services. Acquire AI voice synthesis tools. Acquire access to AI voice synthesis tools and platforms that enable the generation of realistic human-like voices. For example, includes WaveNet, Tacotron, and Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Create a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing samples of your AI-generated voiceovers across different styles, tones, and languages. Highlight your versatility and quality of voice synthesis. Define service offerings. Define your service offerings, including voiceover services for videos, podcasts, commercials, audiobooks, and other multimedia content. Determine pricing based on factors such as project complexity and duration. Promote your services. Promote your AI voiceover services through online platforms, freelance marketplaces, social media, and industry networks. Create a professional website or portfolio to showcase your offerings and interact with clients. Promote your services and collaborate with clients is the most important thing you want to do as an AI voiceover service agent. Collaborate with the clients. Collaborate closely with the clients to understand their requirements, preferences, and project specifications. Provide samples and previews of AI-generated voiceovers to ensure client satisfaction. Deliver high-quality voiceovers. Utilize AI voice synthesis tools to generate high-quality voiceovers that meet or exceed client expectations. Offer revisions and adjustments as needed to ensure client satisfaction and project success. Now let's delve deeper into the future of AI in income generation, automation, and efficiency gains. AI is poised to revolutionize industries by automating repetitive tasks and optimizing workflows. Businesses across sectors such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer service are increasingly adopting AI-driven solutions to streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. For instance, AI-powered robotics and automation systems are transforming production lines, leading to higher output and lower overheads. Similarly, AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are enhancing customer service operations by handling routine inquiries and freeing up human agents to focus on complex issues. Data-driven decision-making. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately enables businesses to make informed decisions. By leveraging predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, companies can identify market trends, forecast demand, and optimize pricing strategies. This data-driven approach extends to various domains, including finance, marketing, and supply chain management, empowering organizations to maximize profits and minimize risks. For example, financial institutions use AI algorithms to assess credit worthiness, detect fraud, and optimize investment portfolios, leading to more profitable outcomes. Personalization and customer experience. AI technologies enable businesses to deliver personalized experiences to customers, driving management and loyalty. By analyzing customer data and behavior patterns, AI-powered systems can tailor recommendations, advertisements, and product offerings to individual preferences. E-commerce platforms leverage AI for personalized product recommendations, while content streaming services use AI algorithms to suggest relevant content based on viewing history. This personalized approach not only enhances customer satisfaction but also increases sales and revenue through targeted marketing and upselling opportunities. New revenue streams and business models. AI innovation opens up new avenues for revenue generation and business model innovation. Startups and established companies like developing AI-driven products and services that address emerging markets, needs, and consumer demands. From AI-powered virtual assistants and smart home devices to autonomous vehicles and healthcare diagnostics, the possibilities are vast. Additionally, businesses can monetize AI technologies by licensing proprietary algorithms, offering AI consulting services, or developing customized solutions for clients. As AI adoption continues to grow, so too will the opportunities for generating income through innovative business ventures and partnerships. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this exploration of the future of AI in income generation insightful and inspiring. Until next time, keep innovating and embracing the possibilities of the AI powered future. See you in the next video.